All of our leads can come up, plug in, and it doesn't interfere with our board because our board only comes out to about this area right here. So there's a bit of a gap between there. So lots of room for lines and stuff to come up the side. All right, so battery leads are done up. This is, I put the covering on here with my little special tool that I have. It's a little tool that clamps around this and you inject it with hot glue. So those are done. So we're gonna get those run in the front of the fuselage to the equipment area, and then we are going to cut out our through fittings. Okay, so we got our power leads run forward, and while we were back in this section, I was working on the nose gear lighting. So put spiral wrap around those guys so we can run them and they're not gonna rub on anything. And the other thing we did was our 3 lights that are right there. Got those all joined together, so there's only one lead now that will power those 3 LEDs.